All right, so it's 3 3/4.
Let's not cut them all wrong.
I think we should cut all of them wrong. All right.
Stop.
What, I'm making the butt joist. Well, we have those 2x6s and we have some more in the garage.
I know, but why would you just, why? First cut. There's your first cut. Ooh, might be an issue, son.
We have to come out to the pink stuff.
Yeah, but we're below it.
That's fine. Every single one of them is going to be below it. We'll have to get a level.
So we're gonna, yeah.
Make sure it's straight up and down and all the way out.
Your little bullet level.
Yep. All right. Now I just got to cut a whole bunch more. It's just one of those days. Well, we can use those ones just to fix those ones down there that we have to fix.
Yeah, but we can just cut those to the same. These we're gonna need all the way down there. Cut. Small.
I know, but it's safer to cut the other ones than try to cut a hair off those.
We're going for safety here? Oh fuck! You know wow.
All right.
Boom, 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 chaka-laka-laka, boom, boom.
Now we got one side done, so now we can start putting on the fascia. But I was told to put the side fascia on first, then we put the bottom on and the side. So now we're gonna go cut stuff.
Boom, chaka-laka-laka, boom, chaka-laka-laka, boom, boom. Because if it's wrong, it's gonna launch into my girth. Really pissed.
Yes.
Really pissed.
That was close. That was really, really close. Whew. Nice. So that's what that looks like. Huh. Fancy schmancy. There's thorns.
Now, so you can do it without breaking his leg. Oh, look, he's got thorns in the arm. Yeah, no, he's going down. No, he's managed to recover. Oh,
Ow.
oh, he's got a nail up his ass. There you go.
There you go.
Point out.
Well, we have to measure.
Can I come off of this?
No.
Did you throw me a sandwich up for supper?
No. Just a beer.
Houston, we have a problem.
Why?
I'm not all 4 inches. It's 4 inches there.
Well, they all should be
4 1/4, but it started back here at 4.
I'll just do a 3/4 to be safe.
So 4 3/4.
Yeah. Well, this is the first time building it.
You've never done this before?
No.
Are you kidding me?
I'm dead.
What would make you do something like this, huh?
Stupidity. All right, as you guys heard, now I'm just gonna cut that, do that, hoo-ha. Now I'll put on the bottom piece of fascia first. And then we can put it on the side and we can see if we did it right or not. But I don't know, we're gonna find out right now though.
Yeah, don't reach for your camera now. We'll whack you with this board.
Love is in the air.
Oh, that's gonna be ugly.
Looks good so far though. Looks really, really good. I'm excited to see how this thing will look with one-sided trim on.
Beauty!
Now from that board we just cut, we can make another one. And it should be the perfect length.
My son is such a joker.
It should be. So yesterday, finished putting the fascia on one side of the house. Now we're just more closed off from the weather. We just had to do the backside. There were a lot of issues with putting the fascia up with the walls. My walls, when I check, are all plumb. It's too late to change them now either way. The wall seemed like it was leaning one way out, which affected the fascia, which that does suck a lot. The same for this build right now. We're just gonna make it work. Is it the best thing I've heard all day or seen all week? No, it isn't, but it's just one of those things that you learn as you build your own house for the first time. Can't change the framing too much now, so it is what it is. We'll just keep chugging along. But right now, because of all our mess ups with the framing, I gotta go up there and cut down some of the rafters that are hanging over the edge of the house, so we put new studs up for the fascia and all that other kind of stuff. So I'm gonna jump up there right now and just cut everything down. But here's the chicken. Hello? Hi. Working on my house.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. And the look of fear enhanced his eyes as he thought he was going to fall from the top of a 10-foot ladder. Now we're going to have to take time to go in and empty his shorts.
Wow.
Let me ask you something.
Yeah?
Did you see God? Was he smiling down at you right there?
130 beats per minute on my heart. Big step at the tiny house project has just been finished by getting the roof completely water sealed, and that is just a huge relief off my chest going into spring, all the rainwater. But I can just remember not within it the last year just starting this whole project by putting the base down, throwing some walls up, building some rafters, and then putting the roof on, and just now having a roof over my head, completely watertight. It's such a great feeling. The next big step is to make sure it doesn't fly away anywhere by securing it down with hurricane ties and threaded rod and everything else. So that's going to be in the next video. Thank you all for watching this video, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.